So your original function is x squared, and the function that you want to graph is x squared plus 5. I'll call that one f of x, this one g of x. So the original one, you can always make your chart, and the f of x is just another name for y. So if we pick a few points, we can see what f of x looks like there. And we just take our x's and square those. So negative 2 squared is 4, negative 1 squared is 1, 0 squared is 0, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4. So that's what f of x looks like. And g of x looks very much like that, except that it's got this plus 5 tacked on. So we're going to still square those numbers, square our x's, but then we're going to add 5 to them. So it's going to look like this column of f of x, but we'll add 5 to each of these numbers. So 4 plus 5 is 9, 1 plus 5 is 6, 0 plus 5, 1 plus 5, and 4 plus 5. So that's how we can get our new points for g of x. And I'm going to graph it in red. So I'll redraw that. And so now at negative 2, I'm all the way up at 9. At negative 2, I'm up at 9. And you really only need one other point. You'll select that, and then you need your vertex and one other point. Our vertex on this one, you did have at 0, 5. So with those 2 points and your parabola tool selected, it will go ahead and graph that. But you can select any of these points over here. The negative 2, 9, the negative 1, 6. Your vertex there is at 0, 5. You also have the 1, 6 or the 2, 9. Any of those other points will do. So hopefully that helps. What I tend to do if I'm not stretching or shrinking is just to go over 1, up 1, and plot my next point there, because at the original one, my vertex is at the origin, and then I've got another point at 1, 1, so it's over 1, up 1. So if I go for my vertex over here and I haven't stretched it or shrunk it at all, then it should be over 1, up 1 from it also. That's another way to think of that and get another point.